Welcome to Yoga Basics, Journey to Effortless Pose Mastery. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to mastering basic yoga poses. Are you ready to embark on this transformative journey? Let's begin. Step 1. Find a calm and quiet space where you can practice yoga without distractions. It could be your living room or a peaceful corner in your garden. Step 2. Start with a warm-up routine to prepare your body for the yoga practice. Stretch your muscles, particularly focusing on your back, hips, and legs. This will help improve flexibility and prevent injuries. Step 3. Begin with a mountain pose. Stand tall with your feet grounded, shoulders relaxed, and your hands by your side. Close your eyes and take deep breaths, connecting with your body in the present moment. Step 4. Move on to the downward dog pose. From a tabletop position, lift your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape with your body. Press your heels towards the ground and relax your neck. Feel a gentle stretch in your hamstrings and calves. Step 5. Next, let's try the Warrior 2 pose. Step your right foot forward and extend your arms out parallel to the ground. Turn your right foot outwards and bend your right knee, ensuring it aligns with your ankle. Gaze over your right fingertips, grounding yourself in strength and stability. Step 6. Transition into the child's pose to rest and regain your breath. Kneel on the ground with your toes touching and sit back on your heels. Lower your upper body forward until your forehead rests on the mat. Relax your entire body in this gentle, calming posture. Step 7. Finish your practice with the corpse pose, also known as savasana. Lie flat on your back, arms by your sides, and palms facing up. Close your eyes and let go of any tension in your body. Allow yourself to enter a state of complete relaxation and bliss. Remember, mastery of yoga poses takes time and patience. Practice regularly, listen to your body, and honor its limitations. We hope this video helps you on your yoga journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this.